In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall GlassWire from Windows 2026. To get started, make sure GlassWire is fully closed before you try to remove it. If the app is open, bring it up and exit it from the GlassWire menu so it is no longer running in the background. This helps prevent uninstall errors and makes the process smoother. Once GlassWire is closed, open your Windows settings. Click the Start menu, then select Settings. From there, go to Apps and then open Installed Apps. This is where Windows lists the software currently installed on your computer. Now use the search box in Installed Apps and type GlassWire. That will quickly narrow the list so you can find it without scrolling through everything manually. When GlassWire appears, click the three-dot menu next to it and then choose Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the program. If that happens, click Uninstall again to continue. After that, the GlassWire uninstaller should open. Follow the prompts shown on screen. In some cases, you may need to click Next before the uninstall begins. Then choose Uninstall inside the GlassWire uninstaller to start removing the program from your system. During this process, you may see an option asking whether you want to keep or delete your GlassWire data and settings. This choice depends on what you want to do next. If you want a clean removal and do not plan to reuse your existing setup, choose the option to delete or remove the data. If you think you might reinstall GlassWire later and want to keep your current configuration, choose the option to keep your data and settings instead. After that, simply wait while Windows and the GlassWire uninstaller finish the removal. Depending on your system, this may take a few moments. Try not to interrupt the process while it is running. If the uninstaller recommends restarting your computer, go ahead and restart Windows. A reboot can help finalize the uninstall and remove any remaining components that were still in use. Finally, verify that GlassWire has been removed successfully. Go back to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps, and search for GlassWire one more time. If the uninstall was completed properly, it should no longer appear in the list. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled GlassWire from Windows 2026.